Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it has been a pretty good while since I have done a video like this, but we are just gonna jump right in as if it hasn't been like 2 years since I've uploaded something. Today I have a very exciting video. We are gonna be testing out 2 products that I have been meaning to try out and have been wanting to try out for a very long time. One disclaimer, if you notice that I have something in my mouth, I have a cough drop in my mouth. I'm getting over a cold that me and my fiance have had for like a week now, 2 weeks almost. So you'll notice that, and I can't hear out of my right ear, so if it sounds like I'm yelling, I apologize. I made a trip to Sephora, my first trip to Sephora in honestly a very long time. As you guys know, if you have seen my other videos, I am getting married in October to my amazing fiance, Andrew. As you all know, I am a crybaby. I am emotional. I am a crier. So we are gonna be trying the FentiBeauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Foundation. And we are also gonna be trying the PatrickStar One Size Setting Spray. As you guys know, from my experience, this is very difficult to find in stock because it is very popular. So we're gonna be trying both of these products today. So we are going to be doing a waterproof test as well with the One Size Setting Spray. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more so you guys can hopefully not have to see my background. I am currently in a temporary filming room at the moment, so it's not the perfect setup, but it will do for now. So I'm gonna start by clipping my hair back, clip these little bang friends back. Does anybody else with straight hair like struggle to get like these like little tiny knots in your hair? And I have these like really fine baby hairs that don't like to stay. And I have shaved sides, so not much to stick behind the ears. I already have moisturizer on for the day. I am going to be starting out with the Tarte Base Tape. This is just like a little travel size. I'm not really big on primers, to be honest with you. I've never really been like a huge primer lover. This one does smell really good. It smells like coconut. Now, my normal colors are, I will say, a little off right now. I am choosing to try shade number 125, sorry. I have been wanting to try Fenty products for a very long time. I always see really great reviews on all of their stuff, or on all of her stuff. I did do a swatch test on my face while I was in Sephora. I feel like 9 out of 10 times I do a swatch in the store, it doesn't always look the same as when I take it home. So I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that this shade matches. I'm gonna pump a little on here first just to get it flowing, and then I am gonna do a nice drag across. Now this is a lot. I don't normally use this much, and my face does look a little red right now, so it might not be like a perfect match at the moment, but I do normally go a little lighter with foundations. I'm used to being really pale, and honestly, this is a little light, but I will say this is very light though. I probably could have gone a shade or 2 darker. Once you contour and everything, at that point, it will even itself out. Okay, so right off the bat, this is a very even application, like even finish. And I really like this color. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here so I can take it down my neck. I'm like trying to look up close to see. This is sitting so nicely on my skin. I don't know if you guys can see that. I do have a lot of pores happening. I got whatever that is going on. I got like a massive, you can see it, massive blackhead right there. I am gonna apply a little bit of this to my nose, and I'm gonna let it sit there so it can dry a little bit. No, I love this. Oh my gosh. Like, first impression with it just being on, I'm really impressed with this. It feels really good. It doesn't feel like, you know, like when you put a foundation on and it just feels really thick? It does not feel like that. It looks way brighter on camera than it does in person. I will try to take a picture for you guys so you can see See a little bit of separating on my nose right here. And honestly, that could just be just my pores like being really bad right now. Yeah, that's not the foundation, that's my pores. My face does have quite a bit of texture in it. It doesn't surprise me when my foundation does that, just because my foundation has always done that. Like, that's not a huge deal to me. And your face is gonna have texture. Like, no matter how much primer you put on, you're always gonna have that texture. Okay, so I do have a couple different contour palettes. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. There are 8 different shades. As you guys can see, I haven't really used this one a whole lot through the clear. I haven't really used it a whole lot. I have been wanting to try like a cream contour. I am not a pro when it comes to contour. Bear with me in this next part. I also am working with a decent size collection of makeup brushes, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, just to kind of even my face out a little bit. Now, anytime I really contour, I'm always afraid of looking dirty. Like, I literally like threw dirt on my face. I like to look like I actually spend time outside. Also, I am gonna do a technique that I'm pretty sure I saw, I think it was Hilary Duff on YouTube. She did a Vogue makeup tutorial when celebrities do like makeup tutorials or like their routines. But I'm gonna take that same shade, and she basically said if you're bad at contouring, this is the easy way to contour your nose. So it's gonna look crazy, but I'm just gonna contour straight down the bridge of my nose. Like literally straight down. And your nose is gonna look kind of weird. See, now my nose is brown. And then what she does is, oh, I didn't even do concealer. Oops. We're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Incognito Full Day Wear Mega Last Concealer. And we're gonna take this and run it right down the bridge of our nose. Not going all the way down because it will blend out. And we're gonna take like that. Man, we're sculpting today. This concealer, I will say, it's not my favorite. I've definitely had concealers that I liked more than this one. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. But I'm interested to see how it pairs with this foundation. So I'm just blending that out and then blending the line. Dang, we sculpting today. And then she takes concealer, goes down the bridge of her nose. I never contour my nose, definitely weird, but then I soften it up with the edges because I'm not trying to have a super sharp nose. With the concealer, put a little on the tip of my nose and a little more on the bridge. Just like those really highlighty places that you want to kind of stand out more. This is definitely not like my daily routine. We're definitely going a little more intense. To be honest with you, I am trying to do my wedding makeup right now. I'm trying to see what I like. And if it turns out good, I have a recording of it so I know what to do on my wedding day. And you have a little contoured nose. Damn, I really sculpted my face today. That was like completely unintentional. Now, I wanted to do this first, but I forgot because I'm a ding dong. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. I am gonna be using the Morphe Eyebrow Pot in the shade Latte. This is their eyebrow gel in a pot. And you can see that I've kind of started to dip into it. This stuff goes a very long way. So when I tell you to be light, I mean be light, because I used it for the first time one time, and when I was done, I was like, whoa, what have I done? I'm just gonna brush everything up. So I'm gonna just go in with this like super little It Cosmetics. This is technically a lip brush. I'm gonna go in there, and like I literally don't even dig. I just like kind of tap each side. At this point in time, because my face gets kind of, I don't want to say greasy, it does get a little bit oily over time. So before I do my eyes and work kind of the rest of my face, I am gonna use the One Size setting spray that I'm so fucking excited to use. So this is the PatrickStar One Size Preserve the Mist. I bought the wrong one! This is not the one I was thinking, but this is not the pool one, which is what I wanted to try, but it's okay. So this is the One Size, not the correct one that I wanted to try because the other one is an aerosol can. This does have the different applicator right here. It's like not the continuous, it's definitely a, oh, that is still a very fine mist. But we're just gonna, oh my god, that smells so good. We're gonna try it anyways, and if I don't like it, I'll just take it back because it's not the right one. We're gonna do, it says 10 to 12 inches away. I'm gonna say like right there, so okay. I'm gonna, did it get me? Oh, that smells so good. Foundation is holding up pretty well. In person, it's looking a lot more like how, like right here, it looks way more even in person, which is okay. I'm not like mad that it doesn't look the same on camera. I'm a little mad, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Heart Blush in Love Flush Baby Love. As you can tell, I've had this for a very long time. I actually think I've had this since one of my first, like earliest videos. The design is like basically gone. I'm gonna go a little heavy with the blush, and I'm gonna bring it across my nose. So I'm actually gonna use, this is a Lorac Mini Pro palette, and I'm gonna go in with that super shiny shade in there, and we're gonna use that as our highlighter. This is my best friend's palette. This is the Jeffree Star, what is this called? Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. It's very difficult to show you guys what's going on, but I think I'm gonna go in with that very neutral beigey color as my base. I'm gonna take a very fluffy It Cosmetics brush. And I'm gonna take that same color and just really tightly put it in the outer corner and inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna run that under my eyelid as well, doing the same on this side, keeping in the outer corner. And then with Dominatrix, I'm gonna take that really dark brown shade and be very light with it, but just intensify the outer and inner corner. That is gorgeous, I love it. Now with that same Lorac palette, I'm gonna go in with a fairly small brush, and I'm gonna use that same color, and we're just gonna put it right in the middle. So it's very subtle, nothing too insane. It's making my eyes look very nice, which I appreciate. We're gonna go in Rare Beauty eyeliner. Oh, we're gonna do like a little baby wing. That's not bad. I don't hate it, I'm just not used to it. Not in love. I'm also gonna be going in with the Rare Beauty mascara. This is the shade Black. This is just like their basic mascara, I think. We're gonna try this. This is the Beauty Jasmine Lip Lock lipstick. This is a mini travel size. Never tried this before. Oh, it's very similar to my lip color. Why would I have a tissue? What are you doing?
Almost ready?
Yeah. This is the new foundation though.
You said it's waterproof. So I work with my finger. It didn't come off.
It did.
It's pretty solid.
So we're not gonna put water on our face with this one because I didn't buy the right one. And I don't want to ruin the makeup that I have on when we're about to go out. All right, y'all. I'm definitely digging this look right now. That is testing the PatrickStar One Size Setting Spray. Preserve the Serve, not the poolside one that I wanted to try, but that's okay. And the FentiBeauty, I think this is the Pro Filter. Yeah, Pro Filter Foundation. Let me know what you guys think about these two products if you have tried them before, what you guys thought of them personally. I'm interested to see how this is going to look by the end of the night. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It feels really good to be back making makeup videos. If you guys would like to see more review videos like this one, or have any specific products that you would like me to test out and give my honest feedback on, please comment those down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your week, and I love you. Bye. Can I just say, working with these stupid octopus leg tripods, why does anybody do it anymore? I need makeup that is gonna last my crying tears. The amount of times my neighbors decide to do yard work is like incredible. I didn't know that grass could grow that quickly. Ow. So this is what the bottle looks like. You guys probably already know what Fenty makeup looks like. Dude, I swear. My throat is so annoying. Running. She's like, soft girl, pretty, wants to take you on a date. And this girl's like, mean Jade. Jade from Victorious. That's what that eyebrow is. And then this is, what's her face? I don't even know her name. The main girl.